Hi guys, so we are going to start our financial literacy portion of the class. So we follow the Dave Ramsey model, which is we follow the 5 foundations of personal finance, and we go into each of those 5 foundations and we learn more about how you can accomplish those. But also within those foundations, I also like to teach you other opportunities that are different from what Dave Ramsey thinks about each of these. And you'll see how that goes as we move forward in the class. But for now, I'd like to introduce you to the 5 foundations of personal finance, which will guide us for the rest of our school year. So foundation number 1 is save for an emergency fund. Foundation number 2 is get out of debt. Foundation number 3 is pay cash for your car. Foundation number 4 is pay cash for college. And foundation number 5 is build wealth and give. You should be making note of this in your notebook. And for each foundation, we will have probably a week's worth of lessons and notes. So you might want to put foundation 1, save for an emergency fund. Well, actually, what you probably should do is write all 5 of these on one page, almost like a table of contents. And then as we move forward in the class, whatever foundation we're working on, I would label that at the top of your page so you know what foundation these notes that you're supposed to be taking would fall under. So these are the 5 foundations of personal finance, and we will be talking about these for the rest of the semester.